Okay, we're gonna be going into the galaxy. So let me just give you, this is the wing that's we're gonna be going in. This one is all under construction right here. That one is the Venetian directly this way. And then this is the entrance right here, and then this goes to Taipa Village. So okay. So we're gonna be going inside, so hang on tight. Here we go. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here's the outside of Galaxy, the signboard, and that's a train right there. I don't know if you can, I don't hear a train right there right now, but it goes through this line. So this is one of the stations called Peacock, and then Galaxy is going to be even larger than it already is. So this is all construction, so you can see some of the lights that are kind of dimly lit, and some cranes and things like that. And then this one is 100% up and running and been there for at least the whole 7 years I've been here. So we're gonna walk in. I was here earlier in the daytime today, and I'm gonna film it again. It's a little bit different every time you film something, and actually I went around in one particular direction, but this time I'm gonna go in to the opposite direction. I'm gonna go, basically I'm going clockwise both times. So I'm gonna go back to the Galaxy, and we're gonna just walk through. And let me see. They're gonna want my, you have to show our ID all the time, so let me get mine out and show it what it looks like. But basically this ID shows them that you are able to go in and out, so let me get it here for them. I'll show you what it looks like too. So basically it looks like that. So, okay. So that's the outside right there of the Galaxy. Now we're gonna go in, and here we go. Oh, mask, sorry. So we also have to put on our mask. Here we go, got it. So yeah, I have to wear the mask in all the buildings in Macau. Okay, so you're gonna see it from a slightly different, oh, the music is so loud in here. Let me turn this off for a second. It's funny, because there's a guy in that movie with a gun. Dang, the music is so loud. The music is so loud, so it's gonna, it won't let me upload the video. So everything is closed. McDonald's is even closed. KFC is open. And a lot of people walking around, but the music is so loud. Maybe that's why they're walking around. There's also kind of a food court here too, so a lot of people are eating, I think. So, okay. I'm a little bit worried about the music. Okay, we're gonna try to show you a little bit of what's inside. Music is too loud, it's gonna, sorry. Gusto, Portuguese, I like. Also Spanish for I like, gusto. Okay, good, music stopped for a moment. They'll play something else in a second, but we can try to film while it's not so loud. The music won't let me upload the film, so then I have to. Anyways, it's COVID era, it's 2020, August, and this is what it looks like. There's more people here than the other casinos. It's quite interesting to me, because it's also a little bit later too. But Galaxy does go to the Broadway, so I don't know, maybe some people are going to the Broadway. Not really sure. It's a casino. So we just came out of that promenade with that loud pop music, and now we have loud piano music in the reception area. This is the reception area, and straight ahead there's Café de Paris. I think that's kind of a well-known French. This is Café de Paris, Monte Carlo. Good, music's not too loud, so we can stroll through here. I did go through Galaxy earlier today, but I was in the daytime, maybe about 4:30 or 5 o'clock. So this is the same day as the other video, but it's at nighttime, and it's a totally different experience because I went through a totally different part. I'm not going to put them together because The other one was a pretty long one. We'll try not to have this one as long. So this one has a giant diamond that will go in and out of the sky. Straight ahead there's a girl in purple, really tall girl. In the past would be all kinds of girls and that would kind of be greeters. But they're not, I think there's only one because they would have people come in off the buses and taxis. But those days are over with. So yeah, this would be, there's actually a couple taxis, but there's no buses. Usually in the past it'd be many, many buses out there, but not anymore. And then this is the Galaxy Loro restaurant. I don't know what they have there. Let's see. This one will have a giant diamond will come out. Let's see what this Loro is. Galaxy. So they got pasta. Okay, all your typical duck, things like that. Lobster. Okay, Chinese restaurant. So that's our Galaxy. Those are little miniatures of Galaxy. I don't want to get too close. Every time I get close to that, they always say something to me. They'll tell me to put my mask on fully. I have it at half guard at the moment. Kind of like this guy up here. It means I kind of pulled it down, but it's just hanging on the ears. But yeah, there's no COVID in Macau. But we do have mainland Chinese tourists now, and some of them could bring it. Vietnam was saying that it's basically Chinese were illegally coming in somehow. And they brought COVID in kind of large numbers to Vietnam, and now they have a COVID problem. So a lot of people think that we might have one in the future because we're letting in mainland tourists. But on the other hand, you gotta stimulate the economy, right? So this is kind of a Japanese restaurant. Yeah, things are popular today. Okay. So yeah, we're going through Galaxy to the left. It says casino. So I'm not even gonna put my camera towards that point. Heather, turn it off right now. Okay, so we're gonna turn it back on. Basically there's security casinos, security entrance, and you can see right into the floor. There was I hardly saw anybody in there. But basically if they see you with the, it's an oyster bar. But basically if they, we'll keep on going here. Casino again. So basically if your camera points that direction, they can confiscate your film, so I don't want to risk it. I feel like they might anyways, because I just saw the sign casino. Anyways, so next what we're gonna do is go up, and then we're gonna go over to Broadway, and we'll see what's over there at nighttime. So yeah, this is the Galaxy. Yeah, COVID era, August 2020, going up the escalator. I just thought I'd want to share all the typical stuff that I'm sharing on all the videos. Someday these to be older, maybe somebody might view what it was like during these times. Basically, no foreigners are allowed in Macau, basically. So Chinese tourists can come and go, and they just take a test, but foreigners are not allowed to come in or out, even if they live, even if they have like a work visa. So some foreigners, or maybe they went into Hong Kong when the borders closed, and they've been there for 5 months, and they have an apartment here, and they're renting an apartment there, and they have a job here, but they can't go back to it. So it's kind of a mess. So that's basically what's happening in Macau. And we're going to be heading into the Broadway. So we're going to be saying goodbye to this one in a minute. But yeah, they're also trying to keep their economy going, so they're trying to keep it open to just only to mainland China only. Hong Kong people can do a quarantine, but Hong Kong people won't let Macau people go into their city. So some kind of mutual thing. But now Hong Kong has a bunch of cases, but for a few months there was no cases. But they didn't let anybody in from Macau. Well, they would with a 2-week quarantine and a 2-week quarantine back, so nobody wants to visit and then be stuck in a hotel paying hotel prices for a month, unable to leave. So anyways, we're gonna end it right there. Galaxy in the background illuminated through this window. Chiquinha, chiquinha.